Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, dalam kesempatan ini saya akan sharing mengenai seminar proposal online. Bagaimana nanti prosesinya dari awal sampai akhir. Nanti akan sharing video-videonya. Oke, saya udah siap nih, udah rapi. Mudah-mudahan doakan saya mendapatkan nilai yang terbaik dan tentunya lancar dari awal sampai akhir. Oke, thank you for watching. Ini udah ya.
Oke, Fer. Alhamdulillah.
Bisa.
Silakan dimulai, Opi. Waktunya 10 menit ya. It's about 10 minutes.
Oke.
It seems that you are using English.
Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain. Amma ba'd. The first of all, thanks Allah Subhanahu wa taala. That's him we can meet in our this Zoom or Google Meet about presentation. My presentation is seminar proposal. Okay, before I'm giving the presentation, I'm so sorry about my language. My English is not very good. I hope of you all can you all understand what I say, and then me too can I say of you all saying. The Honorable Mr. Nurjal Ismail as my supervisor, and then the Honorable second Mr. Nasir Akbar, and then the Honorable Mr. Dr. Indra, and then the last Mr. Sebastian. Okay, I'm going to give a presentation about my research with the title Determinant Variables Influencing the Original Local Government Revenue Profits Area in Java Island from Islamic Perspective. Okay, this is this scope discussion. The chapter 1 about introduction, and the second chapter about literature review. For in the introduction, background, problem statement, objective of research, and the second chapter about conceptual description, previous study, research framework, and hypothesis. And the chapter 3 about research methodology. There is place and time of study, type research, data collection, and data analysis method. Okay, this is my background. Introduction. This is what do you call it? Keyword of my background of my research. Yeah, the first is Java, different PAD or the original local government revenue, and GRTV, different tax, government spending or government expenditure, and the last Islamic perspective and Jaka. Okay, my first introduction of my background. Why Java? Why Java? Okay, the first reason I choosing Java Island because Java Island is rich in agricultural product. For example, food plants, fruits, vegetables, and others. Okay, I'm give example in this Banten province have a variety or various commodity. For example, about coconut have the what do you call it? Komoditi unggulan, ya. There, for example, coconut, woods, kayu-kayuan, and then fisher or perikanan, and etc. And then the second example is West Java. West Java has to have the various or something like that lah about commodity. For example, the famous of the commodity in West Java is rice. Yeah, the famous rice, for example, from the Cianjur or Indramayu. Okay, West Java other sector commodity is famous, for example, of umbi-umbian and other sector. Okay, the second reason I choose the Java Island because Java Island is this the big population in Indonesia. Yeah? Many inhabitants of economic activity experience growth. Yeah? This is a map of Java Island. From 55% Java population in Java Island, contribution Java Island to the total of population in Indonesia. From the 267.7 million population in total Indonesia. Yeah, it is data in 2018. Okay, when we can see the chart, this is chart about population in Java Island. The highest population it is West Java. Yeah, in 2018 is about 48.4 million population. Okay, the second background because it's a Java Island is different PAD. Yeah, pendapatan asli daerah. Yeah, look at the chart. This is a chart about PAD. The highest average PAD it is Jakarta. It's about 30.2 trillion rupiah, and then the lowest PAD it is average 1 trillion rupiah. There is Yogyakarta. Okay, this is comparison about PAD in Java Island. Okay, the next one, difference GRDP, gross regional domestic product. Yeah, still the highest GRDP it is Jakarta. Yeah, we can see this chart. Jakarta is memimpin memimpin perolehan. Kemudian, and then the lowest still Yogyakarta about GRDP. It is years 2011 until 2018. Next one about different tax. Yeah, in Java Island, so very different tax. And still the highest it is Jakarta. And then Yogyakarta still lowest for the different tax. Yeah. Next slide about government expenditure. Government expenditure in every province have a difference too. Still, the highest it is Jakarta. Why Jakarta? Because Jakarta it is capital of Indonesia. Yeah, there is a central of financial, central of trading, central of industry and etc. Ya, so tidak salah Jakarta selalu yang tertinggi. And the lowest still the DI Yogyakarta. Okay, this is Jaka. Yeah, Jaka as we know is Islamic economic instrument. When use the variable study influence PAD. Yeah, I can take the example. One of the local government Indonesia there is Nonggur Aceh Darussalam, bahwa there is zakat it is one component of PAD, ya, receiving of PAD in Nonggur Aceh Darussalam. It is based on undang-undang, ya, undang-undang number 18 the year 2001. Okay, my research, my background, I use the Islamic economic approach, regional income during the Khalifah Umar bin Khattab. The main reason to use the case of Khalifah Umar bin Khattab, why? I use Khalifah Umar bin Khattab. The first reason is well public management, such as initiating land tax, al-haraj, jizyah, trade tax, land ownership, zakat, currency, classification, and allocation of state revenue, and Baitul Mal. The second reason, because he was very creative from the policies of the previous leader, responsible, and had good administrative skill. Okay? And then the third reason, because Khalifah Umar bin Khattab was very known as strict leader. Okay, the next slide, my problem statement. The first one, analyzing to influence the variable that affect local government revenue, 6 province on Java. And the second problem statement, my problem statement, there is analyzing the relationship of variables that affect local government revenue in the Islamic perspective during the Khalifah Umar bin Khattab. Of course, objective of my research, uh, the purpose this study is to find out what variable affect local government revenue, six province in Java, and also know the relationship of research variable the Islamic perspective during the Khalifah Umar bin Khattab. Okay, this is my literary review, chapter 2, conceptual description. Okay, about PAD, I take the definition from the sum of definition. So this is summarized from sum of definition about PAD and local tax population based on undang-undang. It is a regional expenditure, zakat, and it's about Umar bin Khattab. So I'm not explain more about literary review because limited time. Okay, this is my previous study. In 1995, research by Wong with the title Local Government Revenue Forecasting Using Regression and Economic Revenue Forecasting in a Medium-Sized City. This study doing in Wichita or the US, yeah, about how the PAD in Wichita and medium-sized city. And then the next in 2003, uh, study by Ridwan Shah about PAD in Bogor, and 2011 Bartlett et al. About PAD structure, trend and challenge. And then the 2013 Batik 2013 about analysis effect of PAD in Lombok Barat, and the next Adi Nugraha 2013 the economic of Umar bin Khattab policy in modern economic policy. Firdaus 2013 is the same, and Afonso 2015 about local loss and found tax dollars about PAD. And then 2017 the study Trianto et al. In the fact PAD in East Java, Indonesia, 2017 by Anita and Aprilianto, 2017 about PAD in Tegal Regency. And the last one, the study of Dani, 2017 about analysis of influencing factor regional original revenue in DKI Jakarta. Okay, this is my research framework. My independent variables that is tax, GRBV, population, government expenditure, and zakat. And the dependent variable to affect dependent, there is PAD, like regional local government revenue. And then I'm doing content analysis with the econometric data and then data panel. And then I'm doing content analysis about relationship variable from Islamic perspective. Okay, this is my hypothesis. All variable I'm hopefully all variable positive effect on original local government revenue in of the province of Java. Okay, this is methodology, place and time of study. I'm doing in Java Island. There is Banten province, Jakarta, West Java, Central Java, East Java, and Yogyakarta. Okay, my type of research and data collection. I research use the mixed method. I use the mixed method that is combined qualitative and quantitative method. Qualitative approach descriptive with an Islamic perspective during the Khalifah Umar bin Khattab, and quantitative uses panel data regression analysis. Yeah, for the time series 2011 until 2018. Yeah, my data collection from the research, BVS or Provincial Central Bureau of Statistics, and from Ministry of Financial, and then Ministry of Economy, and then Badan Amil Zakat Nasional, every province in Java Island. Okay, this is equation. Look at see equation 3.2. This is equation for panel regression. My panel regression. VAD is dependent variable and x1 is tax X2 GRDP, X3 population, X4 government expenditure, and the last X5 is Zakat. I'm using Microsoft Excel 2010 and EPUS 10 application program. Okay, this is the last slide about panel data regression analysis flow. Yeah. This is flow about my panel data regression. The first step, I'm doing panel data estimation method. Yeah, there is common effect, fixed effect, random effect, and then the second step, panel regression model selection. Panel regression model selection. Um, I'm choose the model selection. There is Chow test, Hausman test, or LM test. Yeah, I'm just a pick PEM or RAM or VLS. Then the third The third step is classic assumption test, but normality, multi-call, hetero, and auto-call. And then significant test, test F, test T, adjusted R square. And the last, it is interpretation. Yeah, interpretation from the result of my running data and the approach to the Islamic perspective. Okay, this is my reference, Capra, and then yeah, it is my preference. Maybe that's all for me. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. I'm so sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mashallah. Thanks, Obi.
Okay.
From your presentation, I see how Pak Rizal give your advice. But therefore, I give you Pak Rizal as your supervisor because he can interfere or maybe can influence into your writing. And I see that, and I see how Madhu Khatab is included in your slide, in your proposal. So I think it's a good thing. Hopefully, you can explore more about it.
Okay.
And I'm curious, when you include zakat, or is it for the symbol of religiosity or not? Because I guess, if we are talking PAD, maybe PAD pada pendapatan asli daerah local revenue government,
Yeah.
maybe religiosity can influence, or maybe another aspect that can influence, maybe the entrepreneurship, or maybe other variables that I think you can mention it. But so far, it is very good. And from the Islamic perspective, I think that you may include about the religiosity about it. So is it maybe people which is religious will pay zakah, then those who are not, I guess there will be some previous studies about it. So that's my first comment. What do you say?
Okay. Thank you. But religiosity, yeah.
Yes.
I'm choose the zakat because the first thing about Islamic perspective, pasti the receiving the first factor is the zakat. So I choose the zakat as one variable and to representative about Islamic perspective. That's it.
Oh, okay. So zakat is the representative.
Yeah, in my opinion.
Okay, that's good. So about the text, what is the difference between text here and the text which is you mentioned as local owned government, local revenue?
Local text is regional. I'm choose the regional text and PAD is pendapatan as daerah. This total of pendapatan from the local government. I'm take the resource from the BPS. There is available.
No, no. I mean, what is the difference?
Oh, about PAD and local tax.
PAD and tax. Do you mean this is tax, national tax, or what do you mean?
Oh, government local tax in
No, 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 local tax.
yeah, local tax in government is to divide it into, yeah. But based on Undang-Undang Nomor 28 2009 bahwa tax or regional government that is direct as sorry tax by provincial and regency, collected by provincial and collected by regency.
Okay. Pak Indra, please. You have time to give a comment. Maybe I'll ask later.
Well, the first is one hit you choose province in the island. Yeah, instead of the province and islands. Or maybe why didn't you choose your province? My question is what are substantial or fundamental reasons in the selection of province? Are there interesting issues in the island of Java? Local government. And of course, you have mentioned region, presentation when you use it, but I think it's still not enough, elaborate, issue, is important, your location, you can keep the insurance vision, getting to know this issue, and then you mentioned in this plan, depends upon the determinants of local governments from Islamic perspective comes from right, or this bottom, it mentioned that at least one classifies you into seven components, namely formation of the mile, the state, Japan, and so on. And one in clinical model, the statistical study, you modify the factors as a reference of local governments. My question is, how can you link the correlate relationship, the five indicators with the seven indicator as stated by Khalid Kumarito? This is because I only see one, but the rest of independent variables, well, it seems you only use one Islamic indicator as determinants, of local government definition, you can give the additional explanation, and then I think it's important, subject means government in from Islam. So maybe in Islamic literatures, we not only find more views, but maybe there are other views from other Islamic leaders or scholars, and discuss it with the Pak Nurdal, and Pak Nurdal is very expert about this area. See, that's related to methodology. In the methodology, you will apply panel data model. Whenever the transaction unit is provincial level. Provincial level. And here you have to be careful about the data. Regarding to the local government revenue, because when this local government unit in provincial level, the budget to be analyzed will be combined government budget in the district level. Because we know that in the provincial level we have two types of first provincial government, and the second is district government. And I don't know how can we elaborate this issue. If I think this that comparison. And the last point for me, I think this is a research, and I hope you can finish it well and you can publish this research in the international or national.
Amin, amin.
Okay, I think it's enough for us,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Dr. Indra. Pak Nuriza. Thank you for the comment, and suggestions, from Dr. Indra and Mr. Nasir, So I just want added one important thing, on the aspect of Umar bin Khattab, I think you should add and elaborate more in detail regarding the policy of Umar bin Khattab. For instance, as mentioned by Sir Nasser, like the other aspect of Umar bin Khattab in Islamic economic policy. For instance, he advised his society to go to the market in order to make the welfare in the country, not only for individual or household, also for the welfare of the country, because when the household is welfare, which lead to the welfare of the state. So he doesn't want everybody to see only worshiping Allah, not watching, not go to the market. As he said in his Qatar, there are three adults, they sit in the mosque. So Umar bin Khattab passed on them, and then Umar bin Khattab asked them, why you just eat from the mosque? So they answer the question of Umar, and then the answer is not satisfied by Umar. So he asked them to go to the market, to get the work. I think it like entrepreneurship, or business, or other thing, can include as variable, not only tax, kan ada apa namanya pendapatan dalam bentuk usaha, usaha masyarakat, next agriculture sectors, in the time of war is one of the primary sector is agriculture, because the capital city was in Madinah. Madinah, the most valuable sector in Madinah is agriculture. Compared to Mecca, for instance. Mecca, the people of Mecca are traders. So you have to cover comprehensively
policy of one bin Khattab, in order to give uh, understanding, what Islam did in your research, based on the practices of Umar bin Khattab. And then from the comment and suggestion from Dr. Indra and Ustaz Nasir, you have to put in your proposal and your result, later on. I think that's all, Ustaz Nasir. Thank you very much for the time giving advice to my supervising.
Yeah, thank you, Pak Nurizal. That's all the input for you, Obi. And please note that. And my point is actually about the zakat, the relationship between zakat and the local revenue. How you connect it? Why you choose zakat? And I said to you that zakat is like spiritual indicators. So hopefully you can discuss it properly. So you mentioned that zakat is something which is important to see that zakat can influence the local revenue. So that's my point, actually, Bobby. Hopefully you understand that. Okay, that's all. Maybe last point from you, Bobby.
Okay, I think it's enough,
Anything
sir.
to say, Bobby?
I think it's enough, sir.
Oh, enough. Okay, thank you. Pak Indra, do you have any more? Okay, enough. Thank you. Please close, Bobby.
Okay, thank you for your attention. I would your suggest, your advice, and of you all. Inshallah, I'm doing the better one to my research in my research or my professional. Thank you. Syukur Allah. Syukran ala istimamikum. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Next, Dewi. Indra, maybe you could become the leader in this proposal.